started to learn things and I started to pick up things. I remember working at a grocery store at a really early age. And I was like, I had this thing, it was called my new policy. And what that meant was they weren't watching me. And I always showed up to work early every day. I always left late every day, and I always worked my tail off because I didn't have anything else to do. But I knew the management team, this was at King Soopers in Colorado, wasn't watching me as a courtesy clerk. I bagged groceries. So I'd come up with new policies. And if I saw, here's another reason I have an efficiency for nice watches. If I saw a Rolex, I would be like, oh, there's a new store policy, Bart. I have to take your groceries out to your car. And then Bart was, I'm a bodybuilder, son. There's a lot of bodybuilders in Boulder, right? I'm into the fruits and vegetables and the steroids, whatever they were into. I don't know. I'm a bodybuilder. I can lift my own. No, you see that guy over there, the curly haired gentleman? Yeah, he's my boss and he's going to fire me if I don't take your groceries out. Because can we just play along? Sure. Hey, just out of curiosity, what is it that you do? Right. And a lot of them were like, I'm an orthodontist. And I had no inclinations of going into somebody's mouth for a living, nor going through medical dental school. Right. But some of them were like, I'm an inventor. Oh, do you have weeds, dog poop, need Christmas lights picked up? I run Case Logic. You know those cassette tapes that go in your car? You ever see those briefcases? Did you happen to know we make them 3 miles down the road? I've got a bike. You guys need your trash picked up? No, trash is good. How about I come by though and clean up? What are you getting at? How much do you want? I don't want anything. I'd love a tour of the Case Logic facility. Right? So how did you get such a big building? And I boom, every business in Boulder, they were like, Skinny Kid come by you yet? He will, right? I came by and I just started soaking it up.
Okay, incredible.